A warm welcome to all. Now we will see about the topic entrepreneurs, institutions supporting entrepreneurs for their development in the course Organization of Government Unit. In that we will see about SISI. SISI means Small Industries Service Institute. This is also a government institution run under the MSME. Then they are providing technical, financial and skill development supports to the community. Why we are approaching this concern means they are encouraging to develop the entrepreneurs. Then while coming to see about the objectives, they are helping to develop the small scale industries. Not an individual person, like small scale industries, for getting the benefits they are supporting. Then they are providing technical and financial support. They are providing skill development to improve the quality of the product. They are also connecting the entrepreneurs to the relevant concerns for increasing their support and getting the output. Then they are helping to improve the efficiency and quality of the product. Then they are encouraging the entrepreneurs to develop their overall development. Then while coming to see about the functions, in the same way they are giving technical assistance, then getting the raw materials, then for skill development, they providing seminars, then hands-on training, workshops and all. Then they are also providing extension services to the community so that we will be able to deliver the products. So then they are also helping to develop the policy and development. While they are fixing on policy, they are helping to achieve the target and all. Then implementation of MSME schemes. In MSME there are several schemes are there like subsidy and all. They are helping to link the small scale industries with the MSME. Okay.
And what are the benefits then?
When coming to see about the benefits, they are helping to develop the small scale industries, not in an individual concern. In a small scale, many small scale industries are there, but they are struggling in getting the raw material, then in the production, then in marketing the products, in all the sequences they are struggling, so that they are helping to develop in a better way. They are assisting in all possible ways.
What are the qualities?
While coming to see the qualities, the products and all, while delivering the product, it should be in a good quality, so that we have to get the raw material. They are assisting to get the raw material from the concern relevant. Then while production also, we have to do with the skilled persons. For that they are assisting to training and skill development programs.
What kind of financial support they are providing?
When coming to see about the financial support, they will be assisting when purchasing in the raw material itself. If we are not able to pay the amount, means they will pay for that. After marketing the product, we will refund the amount. Like that, they will support in all possible ways. While getting the machineries also, in manpower also, in all possible ways, they are helping. Like that, they are providing technical support also. And for getting machineries and all, we have to upgrade the machineries. If we are using in the latest machineries only, we will be able to get the desired product.
What type of skill update they are doing?
In relevant to the product we are developing. If we are doing in an embroidery means they will train in learning how to do ari work, to do the traditional embroideries like hand embroideries. If we are doing in a machine embroidery means how we are going to get the output like that. In all possible ways they will be trained. If we are doing in a what to weaving and processing means they are helping in that also. In dyeing, processing and construction like that.